Hello, Smoky Mountain Heat and Air. My name is Brian, and I'm with Mr.Edge Digital Marketing. The purpose of this video today is to give you 3 free things that you can do with your website to help them get ranked closer to that #1 spot on Google. And the 3 things we're going to be going over today is going to be your citations, your backlinks, and content. All right, we're going to start off with content. Now, typically, Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the first page. You're close to it, just looking at it, but I got a word counter, so we're going to count the words. Word counter has you at 1497, so you're right there at it, so that's going to be no problem. Now, another thing Google likes to see, they like to see you come in here and name these pictures. It's good that you have organic pictures and everything, but how do you have them saved? You got it saved as slide 01. One of the tricks that we like to do, and it's going to help get you ranked, instead of just putting slide 01, 02, 03, come in there and put a keyword in there. That's part of your content. So a keyword's going to be Asheville heating and cooling, and then put Smoky Mountain heating and air in there. Those are keywords. Now, speaking of keywords, this is how I got to where you are right now, your site. I just went on Google and typed in heating and air Asheville, North Carolina. Now, and I noticed that you're not up here. So these guys, Google really likes these guys. This is Google favorites because they pay Google a lot of money for these top positions. These guys right here, this is what we call the map pack, Google My Business. It's really easy to get ranked right there. You can get ranked in here, #1 spot. That's through your citations. We'll talk about citations further on down the road a little bit. Now, right here is your organics. We like to call it organic sites. So these guys got here, the old-fashioned way per se. So Mike's Heating and Cooling is the #1 spot for Asheville, North Carolina on Google. Now that's what I plugged in up here as your competition. Now remember, you have 1,400 words of content. Your pictures aren't they don't have any keywords or anything behind them. So let's take a look at Mike's and see what he's got going on. Okay, this is Mike's site. This is the #1 site in Nashville right now, #1 ranking site. So he's getting a lot of traffic that we're gonna get from him. Now let's look and see how he's got his pictures labeled. So I'm gonna come here and do the same thing. Click Save As. AC Repair, Asheville, North Carolina. Mike's Heating and Cooling. So he's got a couple of keywords in there behind his picture. That helped him get to that #1 spot. Now your backlinks, we're gonna think of backlinks as like a popularity contest. Like a backlink is anywhere that you can find one website linking to another via clickable text. So, like, if I come in here and click Heaton, it could be backlink back to your website. That's a backlink. Just like I said, it's like a popularity contest, and the person with the most backlinks usually wins. So let's take a look. This is another tool that I have. It's called Eris. Costs about $400 a month. Looking at your backlinks right here, you have 196 backlinks. The Smoky Mountain Heating and Air, I got you guys plugged in right here. We'll come over here and look at what Mike's got. You got 196. Mike's got 291 backlinks. Now, the good thing about this is I can come in here and I can look at his backlinks. And I can come in here and I can get the same backlinks he has. Typically what I do, I'll take his backlinks and I'll match them, and then I'll get more backlinks for you. That's how I help get you ranked to that #1 spot and get all that traffic that he's getting. Your backlinks, those are your backlinks. Now, another thing that I can do with this tool, remember we were talking about those keywords? All right, he has 147 keywords. No, this is your site. You have 147 keywords on your site. Come over here and look at his. He's got 396 keywords. And it works the same way. I can go in there and look at his keywords, keywords that he's ranking for, and we're going to match him and we're going to beat him. And the last thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations, that's one of the easiest things to do, and it's pretty much it's free to do citations. So citations, that's anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Now, citations are in places, they're in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, the BBB, and there's thousands of sites out there where you can do citations. That's what I'm saying. Citations, that's no problem to get you ranked as far as citations to get you up there in that Google Map Pack. That's all I got for you today. If you would, please just leave me feedback. And if you want to work with me in the future, just reach out to me and let me know. Once again, my name is Brian. I'm with Mr. Edge Digital Marketing, and my number is 757-202-5619. Thank you.